Hi everyone, I am back with the brand growth idea number 10, which is about stories. Yes. So the idea is that you should create stories where your brand is featured. Have stories for which your brand is a part of, because that is how the consumer recalls it, because stories have the greatest and the farthest impact on the human mind. If you are communicating through a message or a blog or maybe a video, if you are narrating a story, the chances of the person recording it and absorbing it for the greater use are much more. So the idea today we are going to talk about is more about creating stories where your brand is a part of. How we can do that? The big corporates, the companies, they do a lot of PR exercises. They have brand custodians and brand heroes where they get featured and people respond or react to the persona as well as the story involved in that. So today I am going to give you some short ideas, quick ideas where you can, which you can use and create stories out of your brand. I was actually going through a recent advertisement which my filmmaker friend created for a huge FMCG brand, but it was the story that impacted a lot of people, because the story was coming from the villages of Rajasthan, where a weaver is working, a female weaver is working, and her husband sends her lunch. So the story was more around the emotions and a husband-wife relationship, but the product was just a mere part of it. But that very much emphasized on the availability, the affordability of that product, whatsoever will be the size of the brand. But if it is available at rupees 10, it does have an impact, and it also reaches out to a larger audience, because the brands are creating separate communications for separate target audiences. The same brand may be giving the premier packaging and premier product line for the luxury hospitality industry, but at the same time they are reaching out to the masses through their pricing strategy and the small packaging, creating the smallest SKUs possible. Another good example which I'm sure we all are aware of is the Rajasthan tourism. When they started featuring lot of stories and they named the stories as by the name of the travelers, like Jakistan, or if the lady is Isabel, so Isabel is Than. So that's how they were creating stories, and they were on their social media channels, they were asking people to submit their stories by creating their moment of wow in the Rajasthan during their travel plan, and share it. What was the impact when those stories came out? People could relate to their travel aspirations, because nowhere they were talking about luxury, they were talking about the wow factor that Rajasthan offers to the tourist. As an impact of that campaign, in 2018 there was a rise of 21% in the Rajasthan tourism, and the number of tourists visiting the state went up by 5.19 crore. So that is the kind of impact which you can create through stories. In even in our kind of startups where brands are trying to create a foothold for themselves, always remember that you have to create stories where your work, your employees and your clients are a part of, so that people can associate with your brand, they can feel that you are approachable, and that should also reflect your work. In a recent vision boarding workshop for one of my client, I asked her if we can record it a little bit, and when I did that recording and I shared it with my audiences on the LinkedIn profile, lot of people responded in a very positive way. They were interested as well as intrigued, like how we are doing the branding process here, and why vision board could be a part of the annual reviews also. So I'll be back. I hope you like the idea today and you're already thinking about the story which you can create. Write to me. if you need more ideas or want to build on the idea together, and I'll be happy to help you. I'll be back next week with the next brand growth idea. See ya.